Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to E-Man's Express. Today I'm cooking some soup, chicken soup, and I'm gonna make some little dumplings in it like gnocchi. But we're gonna start out with a little bit lighter yellow food coloring, some garlic, like a lot of garlic, minced onions, a little bit of thyme. I already put some basil in there, just a little bit. Some black pepper, and some chicken bouillon, a chicken base. And since I didn't put any salt, we're gonna put a generous amount of chicken base in here to season it and to provide the salt. All right. And so I put a stick of butter or margarine in here. We're gonna let it come to a boil and simmer. I'm gonna add some half and half cream, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then I'm gonna make some little gnocchi balls out of mashed potatoes and self-rising flour with a little egg and a little seasoning. But I'll bring you back when I start that process. All right, we're back. We have equal parts of flour, self-rising flour, and mashed potato mix, and we're using maybe a cup each. We have 1/4 tablespoon, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of chicken base, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And so we're gonna mix these up with some half and half and an egg. And we'll bring you back after that. Because I want to make sure that my potatoes absorb a lot of this liquid and become smooth, I'm gonna mix that up in the heavy whipping cream first so it can absorb all of that liquid. And it's because I'm using heavy whipped cream because I want it to be really creamy. Whipped cream comes with good flavor. And so I'm just mixing the mashed potatoes up. A little bit of the flour, but it's fine. I want to make sure that this mashed potatoes get soft. And so I'm just covering it with heavy whipping cream. And kind of mix it in a little bit so it can absorb all of that liquid. And it will rehydrate rather. And I'll bring you back. Sorry about that. We'll bring you back shortly. I want to get this hydrated, and then I'll mix everything together, and I'll use a little bit of milk after that. So I won't use all of my whipping cream up, but we see how the flavor. And so we'll bring you back shortly. All right, we're back. Forgot to add my egg to this, and so we're going to add this egg, mix this up, and I'll bring you back when you get incorporated. Right now it's looking a little chunky because of the mashed potato. It's not absorbing all of the liquids right at this moment. But we're gonna mix it up really good and I'll bring you back. All right, we're back. I did a little sample of 1 tablespoon. It was kind of not staying together like I wanted, so I'm adding a little bit of plain flour to this recipe. Maybe a half a cup. Bring you back. All right, I want to show you, I did a little sample. Before I added the extra flour, this is how the gnocchi came out. And this is how it's coming out now, like I desired to. And so we need the extra flour, so it's like maybe 2 to 1 flour to mashed potato ratio, 2 to 1. Looking good. Bring you back shortly. We're back. I put all the little potato dumplings in. I'm gonna pour a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Make it real good and creamy. And we'll be right back. All right, I tasted the broth. And it needs a little bit more. Like I said, I'll use some chicken base instead of salt to give it more of the chicken flavor plus sea salt. And we're gonna add a little bit more liquid to this because this is a soup. Even though it's gonna be thick, I need to add some celery to this. And so I am gonna take the meat that I have here, add some water to it, add the celery, bring it to a boil for maybe half an hour till the celery get tender. Then I incorporate both of these back into this dumplings. And here we are. Let this simmer down low for about 30 minutes. And we should be back shortly. All right, here we are with our gnocchi soup. Chunks of meat and potato dumplings. All right, you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share a comment, share with your friends and family. Until next time, you all be blessed. See you on the next episode.